Okay, so there's our raster image. Now, one of the other key things we need to do is we need to make sure we are in the right drawing units. As I previously stated, we want to go with architectural drawing units. So, let's go into Format, Units. And let's make sure that these are in architectural units. Here is our precision, 1/16 of an inch. The angle type, decimal degrees. You can also go with radians, gradients, surveyor's units, minutes, seconds. But for our purposes, we're going to go with decimal degrees. And the units to scale, drag, and drop content is inches. And we can also do some other things here. But for right now, we're just going to make sure that this is an architectural. So hit OK. Now, let's kind of try to duplicate this. Let's say that I have a porch that has been designed. And my porch, let's go up here and pick line command. Now you'll notice that right now this is on a polar, a freehand type deal. If I hit the F8 function key, it only draws orthographically, up and down, left and right, side to side. So let's say I've got a ledge out here in space. There's the top of the ledge. Let's finish drawing it. Let's give it a thickness. We'll say 12. And 12 inches, of course, is a foot. Now, there's our edge of the ledge. If I come over here to this offset command, and you can type it in at the command line too, offset, hit enter, it's going to ask me for a distance to offset. Now let's say our distance is 10 feet. 10 feet is 120 inches. So I'm going to type in 120, hit enter, and I'm going to pick the line with the select button, the left mouse cursor button, and pick the direction. If I pick the direction above this line, it would shoot the offset up toward above the line. If I pick a direction below the line, then it shoots it below it. And there it is. Okay. So we're doing good right now. Let's blow this up a little bit more. I don't like how small that looks. So if I come over here, you'll see a little icon that looks like a paper with a small square in it. That's the scale command. Let's pick scale. And we've already selected the object. Let's pick a point to scale from. We'll say this intersection. And let's scale it up. It looks like I might want to blow it up about 4 times. So I hit 4. Now it looks a little bigger to me. So here's my rough opening for my column that I'm designing. And I'm going to make a casting of this, but for right now I want to design the column. Later on I might design the the mold for it too. So let's offset this. Let's say this is a slab. Let's offset that 1 foot. Let's say it's a foot deep. So I type in 12 inches, and then pick a direction. Whoa, what's going on here? Okay. My keyboard acts up sometimes. Let's repeat that command. Offset 1 foot. It already shows it down here. 1 foot 0 inches. Hit the right button. It enters. And offset it a foot. So there. Now if I want to copy this line here, I can select it. Or if I hit escape, deselect it. If I want to copy it, I just simply hit the copy command. Let's copy this from this point, which is the end point, to this end point. Bingo. Okay, so we're starting to get somewhere. Let's repeat copy, and let's copy this line from this point to this point. How's that look, guys? Looks pretty good. Now let's copy both of these lines from here to here. So we sort of boxed it in, and there's a reason why I did that. But for right now, here's our rough opening. Here's the header of the porch, and here's the slab of the porch. So we're starting to get somewhere now. That is some basic geometric construction.